A rectangle has length 3x plus 1, and a width of x plus 3, and it has a rectangle of 2x by x cut out of it. Find and simplify an expression for the shaded area. Okay, so the shaded area will be the area of the large rectangle minus the area of the smaller rectangle. So that's going to be, the area of this one is 3x plus 1 times x plus 3 minus 2x times x. So we now expand this, so we get 3x times x plus 3 plus 1 times x plus 3, and 2x times x gives me 2x minus 2x squared. Expanding this, we now get 3x times x, which is 3x squared, 3x times 3, which is 9x, 1 times x, which gives me x, and then 1 times 3, which gives me 3, minus 2x squared. 3x squared minus 2x squared, so we're collecting like terms now, this gives me 1x squared. 9x plus x gives me 10x, and now we've got plus 3. So this is my simplified expression for the area of the shaded part of this rectangle. It says the shaded area is equal to 27 centimeters squared. Find the dimensions of the larger rectangle. So what is this expression for the shaded area? We put it equal to 27. So putting it equal to 27, this is a quadratic. To solve a quadratic, you put it equal to 0. So if you take 27, you're going to get minus 24. And now we have to solve this by factorization. So the product is going to be 1 times minus 24, which is minus 24. The sum is going to be 10. We're looking for two numbers whose product is minus 24 and the sum is 10. So minus 2 times 12 gives me minus 24. Minus 2 plus 12 gives me 10. So we're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 12x, so we haven't changed the meaning because we've still got 10x there, minus 24 is equal to 0. Then we factorize by grouping. So common factor of x, we get x minus 2. Common factor here of 12, so take that out, and we're going to get x minus 2 is equal to 0. Have we got x minus 2, that now is a common factor, and we get left with x plus 12 is equal to 0. So either x minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 2, or x plus 12 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 12. Well, x is equal to minus 12 in relation to the problem is just not possible. We can't have a negative number here, we can't have a negative number here. So therefore, the dimensions are going to be 3x plus 1, so it's going to be 3x plus 1, which is going to be 3 times 2 plus 1, because the only accepted value is that, which gives me 7, and the other one is going to be x plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5. So the dimensions are 7 by 5. So this has been a video to show you how to form a quadratic expression from a practical problem, and then use a piece of information to solve the resulting equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.